this is a spacious living room space this is the kitchen of the flat, and this is your spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Dosti Greenscapes, which is located near Pune-Solapur Highway, Hadapsar, Pune. As you can see, I am standing at the project's sales office, and this is the surrounding of the project. Now, before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview. The Dosti Greenscapes will be constructed on 8 acres of land parcel, which will be comprising 12 towers, which will be having ground plus 2 podiums plus 21 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. As you can see, I am at the construction site of the project and you can see the construction's progress. Now, coming to the location part of the project, this project is located near Pune-Solapur Highway, Hadapsar, Pune. As you can see, behind me is the Pune-Solapur Highway, जो प्रोजेक्ट के लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करता है सोलापुर से और प्रोजेक्ट के राइट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करता है पुणे से। इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है हड़पसर गाड़ीताल बस स्टैंड विच इज विद इन 2.1 किलोमीटर्स अवे, डी-मार्ट हड़पसर विच इज विद इन 2.3 किलोमीटर्स अवे, and Magarpatta Circle, which is within 2.3 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you about the project's amenities with the help of Project's 3D model. This project has over 40 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, banquet hall, multi-purpose court, basketball court, gym and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a spacious 4 BHK actual flat, which has 1395 square feet carpet area. So this is our entrance where you get a main door and a spacious walking space and entrances lobby where you can set up your decorative items and show rack. And just at the entrance you get a servant room which has a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting, and also an attached washroom. Which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now everyone, let us check out our living and dining space. So this is a spacious living room space where this is where you get your couch setup space, and then this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side covered. Now let us check out the dining space. So this is a dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now, let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is the kitchen of the flat, which has 2 granite platforms parallel to each other where you have a sink attached to it, and then also a dry balcony attached to the kitchen where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. And you also get your fridge setup space here. Now everyone, let us check out the first bedroom of this flat. So this is your first bedroom of the flat, where this is where you get your bed setup space, and then you also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now let us check out the second bedroom of this flat. But before we check that out, let me show you about this common washroom that is here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your spacious second bedroom of the flat, where this is where you get your bed setup space, and then you also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And you also get an attached washroom with the room, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now everyone, let us check out the third bedroom of this flat. But before we check that out, let me show you another common washroom that we have here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your third bedroom of the flat, where this is where you get your bed setup space, and then you also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now, before I show you our fourth bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let's check out the fourth bedroom. So this is a fourth bedroom, which is the master bedroom, where just at the entrance you get a very spacious walking space and also an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. And this is your spacious master bedroom, where this is where you get your bed setup space and you also get an attached balcony to it. Which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. And then this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. So everyone, this was the sample flat tour of the spacious 4 BHK of Dosti Greenscapes, which is located near Pune-Solapur Highway, Hadapsar, Pune, and is developed by Dosti Realty. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.